Today we explore the kumquat, a tiny citrus that carries an entire orchard of flavor inside its delicate skin. Bright, bold, and unexpectedly sweet on the outside yet sharply vibrant within, the kumquat tells a story that spans ancient trade routes, mountain terraces, and centuries of culinary ingenuity. It's a fruit that defies expectation, balancing warmth and acidity with a character that's both playful and profound. The kumquat belongs to the genus Citrus, sometimes placed in the closely related genus Fortunella, and has been cultivated for more than 1,000 years across East and Southeast Asia. Unlike most citrus fruits, the kumquat's defining feature is its edible rind, thin, aromatic, and unusually sweet due to high concentrations of essential oils and natural sugars infused within its outer layers. This contrast between sweet peel and tangy flesh gives the fruit its unique split-profile flavor. Native to southern China, the kumquat thrives in subtropical climates and mountain foothills where winters are cool but not severe. Historical horticultural records from the Song dynasty describe kumquats as golden jewels of winter, valued both for their refreshing taste and their resilience during colder months when other fruits were scarce. By the 12th century, kumquat groves were cultivated on terraced hillsides near monastic gardens, where they symbolized prosperity, luck, and emotional balance during Lunar New Year celebrations. Botanically, kumquats form compact evergreen shrubs or small trees with glossy leaves, producing fragrant white flowers rich in linalool and limonene. These blossoms attract pollinators through both scent and reflected UV patterns visible only to insects. The resulting fruits develop in late autumn and persist through winter, becoming even sweeter after the first light frost, a natural process that triggers conversion of certain bitter compounds. Several notable species exist within the kumquat group: Nagami, Fortunella margarita, the most common, oval-shaped with an intense tangy pulp. Meiwa, Fortunella crassifolia, sweeter, rounder, with fewer seeds. Hong Kong kumquat, Fortunella heinzii, tiny, wild, extremely seedy, considered the ancestral form. Jiangsu variegated kumquat, prized for its streaked foliage and ornamental value. Kumquats boast a fascinating phytochemical profile. Their peel contains high concentrations of flavonoids, especially poncerin, narrowrutin, and fortunellin, compounds currently studied for anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects. The essential oils extracted from kumquat peel exhibit a complex aroma combining citrus zest, slight floral undertones, and subtle spice-like resin notes. Traditional Chinese medicine texts mention kumquats as a remedy for throat discomfort, digestive imbalance, and seasonal fatigue. Culinarily, the fruit is remarkably versatile. In East Asia, kumquats are candied whole, preserved in honey, infused into hot winter teas, or fermented into tart sweet liqueurs. Mediterranean growers use them in marmalades, pickles, and aromatic glazes for meats. In modern gastronomy, chefs employ kumquats to cut through rich dishes, its natural acidity acting like a citrus scalpel that brightens heavy flavors. Its zest is also a favorite in craft cocktails, often paired with rosemary or chili for contrast. Ecologically, kumquat trees support pollinator diversity due to extended blooming periods and high nectar production. Their compact root systems also help stabilize slopes in terraced agricultural landscapes, an important feature in erosion-prone regions. Meanwhile, the fruit provides winter nutrition for certain birds, which aid in seed dispersal. By the 19th century, kumquats spread across global trade networks, reaching Europe and North America. They were often transported as living potted plants aboard ships, celebrated for their hardy nature and ability to produce fruit even under less than ideal light conditions. Today, kumquats remain a favorite in ornamental horticulture, backyard gardens, and specialty markets. Their resilience, vivid color, and distinctive flavor ensure they remain an enduring botanical and culinary treasure.